Hello, this is David Taylor at Web Media with this week's online marketing secret, and today I want to talk about how to tell Google your site or certain pages on your site are targeted at users outside the UK, particularly in another language. So the way to do this is that first of all you need to sign the website in question up to Google Webmaster tools. Not got time to go through that right now in this video, but there are plenty of videos on YouTube that will tell you how to sign up for Google Webmaster tools. It's really important that you get to grips with this. Tells you a lot of information about the way that Google crawls your site, any problems it finds, what it thinks your site is about, etc. But for today's video, I'm going to assume that you've already signed up to Google Webmaster Tools, and what you're going to do is to go down to the Search Traffic tab, and underneath that you'll find a sub-tab for international targeting. Now, if you click on that, what it'll do is that Google will have a quick look at the site in question, and in this case, as you can see, it's saying your site has no href-lang tags, and these href-lang tags are what tells Google the language preference for that page or for your site. So how do you generate and where do you put these particular tags? Well, I'm going to suggest you go to a site that is a handy tool if you're interested in doing this, and you'll find this tool right there, internationalseo-map.com/hreflang-tags-generator. And basically, let's assume that this is the title of the website that you are targeting, and in this case I'm targeting it at the French market. It's actually, the site has been written in French. So it asks you the language, and then it asks you the country that you want to target. So it's French and it's in France, and that is the URL of the French site that I want Google to index and to show to people in France who are searching on Google for this particular type of website. So when I've put in those three pieces of information, I hit the button down here. Are you done? Get the href. I don't want that second one. Get the href-lang tags for this URL, and it generates the tag. There is the tag, and you can see that it's referring to the site, and it's generated a tag which is FR for France. What it's now telling you here is that you need to copy this href-lang tag into the head area of the page or pages that you want Google to associate with it being a French site. Now, if you're running an HTML static site, you simply open up each page and copy and paste this line into the head area. The head area on an HTML page starts with that and closes with that, and you'll find it towards the top of each HTML page. So you want to paste that line, sorry, not that line, the line generated by the tool. You want to paste it into the head area of each HTML page that you want Google to associate with being in French. Okay. If you are using Wordpress, what you need to do is you need to go to into your FTP area, if your FTP client, into WP content, themes, and the theme you're using. And in there you will find a file called header.php. You download that file and you add the line from the tool into the head area of that header file, and then upload it back up to the server using your FTP client. So that's one part of the process. The second part is that you go back to Webmaster Tools and you click on this second tab of country, put a tick in the box, and then pick the country that you're aiming the content at. And in this case it is France. And then hit the save button. And when you've done those two sets of things, what you should find is that Google understands that it is targeting those pages based on France and French, and it will index it accordingly for people who are searching for that type of product or service in the country of France. So that's how you target content or a website in a non-English language or outside the UK at another country, wherever that might be. Hope you found that useful. We'll see you next time for another online marketing secret. Until then, bye bye.